right, so quick update. I kind of just got into the zone and forgot to record. Sometimes it's actually nice to do that. But some updates. So I just put on the carbon fiber lip on the bumper. I did put the OEM fenders on. It looks a lot better. And then I also put on some fresh carbon fiber side skirts. I am taking a look at some of these ducts, where some of these ductings that came with the front bumper. I want to see if that'll work, or I'll be able to utilize those anyway. But yeah, pretty productive. Yeah, the other thing I want to try is this under tray. And so this is going to be really key, because right now, so this carbon fiber lip doesn't help me out right now. But what I can do is I need to do something here so that I'm getting direct air into my radiator, which is right here. You see how tight it is. Let me get underneath. But you see, that's all the cooling I have from the front side, or at least all the space that I have. So I want to get the front bumper on, and I think that aesthetically, I'm not sure, but if we can somehow level this off, and if we can get, you know, what is that? Maybe 3 inches, 2.5 inches of direct airflow when I'm driving, that'll help my cooling issue as well. Is it 100% necessary? It's not 100% necessary right now, because I have 2 big fans. Is it gonna get it? I have 2 big old fans right there. 2 12-inch fans on the radiator on the back side with electric water pump. That's been helping. But yeah, that's pretty much 3 inches that I have to really play with. So that I can direct air directly into the radiator. I mean, if I could have a splitter even on that carbon fiber lip and then open up that middle area, that'll be really, really nice right under here, and kind of have that air going directly into that. That would be really nice. So far so good. Yeah, bumper's basically wrapped up. It's gonna look a lot better with the OEM fenders on. I'm glad I did that. And then the carbon fiber lip will match with that. So, or the carbon fiber lip on the front will match with the side skirts now. Now I just need to do something with the back. Nothing too special with the back right now, other than just that plastic rear lip. So yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna get to work. And then I'll update you guys when I get the front bumper on. All right, so what I'm trying to do here, so I have an under tray, and the under tray essentially bolts sandwiches between the front lip and the front bumper. So that will close up that air duct right there. So I think what I'm going to do, and I need to double check where this bolts up to, but bolt it anywhere underneath the car. But what that will end up doing is that will channel all this air, and I think what I'll do is I will cut this bottom lip, because this lip right here and the carbon fiber lip will serve as this essentially, forcing the air not only into the intercooler on the top part, but just cutting off this piece right here will really transition that air to flow underneath. And then having that lip will really duct it into, you know, forcing that air in there. And I think that will help us. Let's find out. All right, so another quick update. I did put the bumper together with carbon fiber lip. The front looks ridiculous. Like, this wheel gap is kind of ridiculous. I don't know why it sits like that. It's all the way down, unless I'm seeing something that no one else, I don't know. But here's what the front lip looks like. So I didn't end up cutting anything. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is a custom, it's gonna have to be a custom like belly pan and have to go through that way. So it is what it is. Really good progress. Really happy with how this came out. I mean, honestly, that bumper gets repainted and this whole thing gets rewrapped. The front gets lowered. We got ourselves a decent car, guys. So, super late right now. I'm gonna call it. But yeah, we're getting there. One of the things I did want to get anyways was different suspension. So might end up having to do that sooner than later, but nonetheless, appreciate you guys checking out the video. We'll get this thing lower eventually because I want to do coilovers, and then also I have upper control arms, and then we should be set to go with suspension wise. So yeah, that'll be for another video, but we'll get there. So again, thank you guys for checking out the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. So actually, sometimes in life, you just kind of got to let something be and sleep on it. And I think that's what helped. I did reach out to one of my friends. I don't know, I was stumped. I thought that the bottom collar was already maxed out, but it just didn't seem right because there's no way that the rear was lower than the front. So anyways, I found the collar that I should have been adjusting. And yeah, so sometimes just sleeping on it will make a difference. And so let's see what it looks like. I lowered it on both sides now. I'm gonna lower the car and we'll see how the stance looks. All right, so we should put wheels on ramps and lower out. Oh yeah, that was it, guys. Hell yeah, that was it. Now look how much better it looks. Freaking tucked up in the front a little bit. Might be too low, actually. Yeah, front's, oh yeah, definitely too low. But yeah, sometimes you just got to take a step away, go to sleep, wake up refreshed, and yeah, let's get this thing off the race ramps. All right, race ramps. Yeah, so just all the way up. So that's why it's so high. So yeah, a whole lot better than what it was before. Sweet. All right, now I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.